Welcome to Such the Reality. This is Reshi Chaudhary and you're watching the Reality Rundown. In today's bulletin, we bring to you the latest updates across the nation. Let's have a look. The Special Task Force of the Assam Police carried out a successful raid in the Koinadhara neighborhood of Guwahati within the boundaries of Vaishishta Police Station, dealing a serious blow to the illegal drug trade. Led by Inspector Kapil Pathak, the operation resulted in the apprehension of a drug peddler and the recovery of a substantial amount of suspected heroin. The STF seized 23 vials containing approximately 30.5 grams of the illicit substance along with other evidence in their latest crackdown on drug trafficking. A herd of 42 elephants have been causing concern in Lakhimpur Gwalpara as they roam in the area in search of food, taking shelter in the Lakhimpur Reserve Forest near Ambari. For the past 2 days, the elephants have been seen moving through various parts of the forest, including a half-hour stop on Ambari Road, prompting forest officials to halt traffic to ensure safety. The elephants eventually moved towards Banani, allowing traffic to resume. Authorities are maintaining close surveillance to prevent any dangerous encounters between the elephants and the local community. Two youths, Bitu Poddar and Alok Poddar, were seriously injured in a violent altercation in Guwahati's Jayanagar locality. The incident, stemming from a dispute over trash removal, involved owners of Anjani Mobile Store and SNF Gym. Hiranya Kalita and Himen Kalita, proprietors of SNF Gym, reportedly attacked the Poddars with sharp weapons. Both victims were rushed to Metro Hospital in Khanapara for urgent medical treatment. The altercation, captured on CCTV, is under investigation by local authorities who are using the footage as key evidence to hold the perpetrators accountable. During a wedding ceremony at Kabariband village, Patharkandi, the groom and his father were taken into custody by Karimganj police as a part of a decisive crackdown on child marriage. The intervention rescued a minor girl dressed as a bride, leading to considerable local tension. Bilaluddin, the groom, and several others, including the officiating priest, were detained. The court has ordered their recarceration for violating child marriage laws. The minor girl is now in the care of Child Welfare Association. Karimganj police seized approximately 300 grams of suspected heroin valued at around rupees 2 crore in Deokuri, Kaliganj. Acting on a tip-off, police intercepted a passenger vehicle, uncovering 25 packets of heroin and arresting the trafficker Burhan Uddin of Bagbari. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma criticized the Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal, alleging widespread corruption in government job allocation. Speaking at a rally in Bengal, Sharma contrasted his BJP-led Assam government's commitment to transparent recruitment processes. He claimed that while in Bengal, government jobs are secured through bribes, in Assam, they are obtained based on skills. Sharma boasted of his government's accomplishments of providing 1 lakh government jobs in the first year, attributing it to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's directives. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma made a statement asserting Prime Minister Narendra Modi's adherence to the constitution amidst political discussions. Sharma criticized the Congress party for allegedly deviating from constitutional principles. He also questioned the alliance dynamics, highlighting the shift in political alliances, particularly referring to Arvind Kejriwal's collaboration with parties he had previously criticized. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, addressing a public meeting in Ghatal, West Bengal, urged voters to elect the BJP government in the state, promising punishment for TMC's alleged wrongdoings. Shah presented 2 options for the upcoming elections. The BJP, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, known for 23 years of selfless service to the nation, or the India Alliance, which he criticized for its leaders' alleged involvement in various camps. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, speaking at a public meeting in Haryana's Mahendragarh, criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of treating Indian soldiers like laborers. Gandhi specifically targeted the Agniveer scheme, alleging it was created by the Prime Minister's office against the wishes of the army. He vowed that if Congress comes to power, the scheme will be discarded. Congress leader Sachin Pilot, addressing a public rally in Chhatarpur Assembly constituency, highlighted the challenges and significance of political alliances for the upcoming elections. Pilot emphasized the collective efforts of various parties in the India alliance, stressing the importance of unity for the country's welfare. He also criticized the rhetoric of other parties claiming overwhelming victories, questioning the need for elections if such assurances were true. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.